Today, I want to talk about Aerodrome Finance. Obviously, Aerodrome $1.63 at the time of this video, a crypto project, DeFi project, altcoin that I've covered extensively on the channel. Like, go back and look at the videos, probably 70 plus videos that I've made on Aerodrome. You can see the first video I made on Aerodrome was back here on 7 months ago, March 1st, and I said Aerodrome will make millionaires. Aero bullish outlook, and that was at 53 cents when I made that video. 53 cents. Very interesting price action back then, right? Trading volume was up massive, and I don't know. I mean, 53 cents. We've come and go. We've came from that price point back to that price point. I mean, you look at the last year. April, shortly after I made the video here in March, April comes, Aerodrome hits $2. We were all the way down here, back in the 50 cent range, where I got my position in, and then you can see your Aerodrome flying back up here again, $1.42 yesterday, sitting at $1.36. Zoom out on the chart, almost 1,400% in the green over the last year, over the last month, over 100%, up 100% over the last month. Right, we've talked about Aerodrome and the trading volume and the holders, almost 200,000 holders. Again, this is just unique addresses here, but nonetheless, right. Back in May and June, I was talking about, I think by the end of June, Aerodrome will hit 100,000 holders. Here we are, essentially 3 months later. We see Aerodrome and above the what is $885 million market cap. I think we're still $1 billion market cap very, very soon here. But again, this is something that goes back to when we talk about crypto, when we talk about altcoins specifically. Important to zoom out on the chart, look at the last year for Aerodrome. I love this recovery here. I think many people that have been holding Aerodrome and haven't been selling it or didn't sell it when the price decreased, people that are holding it now are glad they did, because it is, obviously going back, and I do see it going back to $2, $3, $4 very, very soon. I think end of the year price target should be north of $3 in my opinion. Just given if we talk about Aerodrome, and if it had the current market cap of Uniswap, which is just a little under 6 billion, we're looking at around $8 per Aerodrome, per coin for Aerodrome. And then Uniswap's all-time high, which again is 22 billion, $34. So again, I've been saying for a while now, I think Aerodrome at minimum in this bull cycle is a $15 plus coin. I'm going to continue to kind of, state that. I mean, I'm not saying go ahead and throw, a huge bag at this, because we're talking about like a 6x is $8 from this point at $1.36, what Aerodrome's currently at. But there's a ton of reasons to be bullish, right? Like a ton of reasons. I mean, specifically, you go to like Aerodrome's just Twitter, talked about this before. You look at this, Base is now the largest Ethereum layer 2 by total value locked. Ethereum, Tron, Solana, BSC, and then Base. I mean, it's pretty crazy in just a short amount of time. We're talking about a little over a year. And you can see here, and there it is, Base has flipped Arbitrum in just a year. Just see Bullock and the Base team have delivered the leading Ethereum layer 2 in year 2. I fully expect them to deliver one of the single largest chains in existence. The future is on chain, and that's kind of the narrative and the motto and the slogan that Base has been pushing. And similarly, narrative that I've been talking about when it comes to this is Base is in the infant stages, therefore Aerodrome's even in the younger infant stages, I guess you could say, right? Like Base is young, Aerodrome's even younger. They're going to continue to grow together. So like, as long as Base continues to grow and get bigger, I see no reason for Aerodrome not to continue to grow and get bigger. And you can see here, I mean, just on Base specifically, Aerodrome's dominating, right? Tops 1 billion in deposits. Aerodrome Finance continues to contribute over 1 billion in deposits on Base, accounting for more than half network's TVL. Base incubated on Coinbase, saw its total value locked surge to 2 billion, over 5 times the network's deposits year to date. Aerodrome accounts for almost half of Base's TVL, right? Over 1 billion deposits, up 120 million from January. So you read this here, and then you go back to this. Aerodrome attributing to over half of this, essentially this picture, right? Essentially this picture. So again, it's tough to really put into words, I think. Just the floor, I think. I don't want to say potential, I think when you talk about the floor of a crypto and where it could go, right, in a bull market, it's not altcoin season yet. When you talk about that, and then you talk about where base and Aerodrome is going to continue to go, right? TVL is soaring. You look at something like this. I'll put a links to all these tweets in the description below. But like Grayscale, 60 billion lists Aero as an asset under consideration for potential inclusion in future investment products. Like, this is huge, right? I think when you read stuff like this, and then you talk about how, again, early it is for a project like Aerodrome, not even altcoin season yet, like I said, there's a ton of upside here to be bullish, and I think $15 is, without question, not out the realm of possibilities for Aerodrome in a bull market. So again, not financial advice. Let me know in the comments below how you feel about Aerodrome finance currently. Again, please drop a like on this video, hit that subscribe button. As always, have a great day.